Do you want Cousin Taylor to come play with your toys? Is it a yeah or a nah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, Mama. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Roar!
Watch your head, watch your head.
Roar! Roar! Is that fun?
Alexander, can you do the Cousin Taylor crouch down? Cousin Taylor crouch down. Everybody's doing the Cousin Taylor crouch down.
Delete my video.
Cousin Taylor crouch down. You guys aren't crouching enough. Cousin Taylor crouch down. Everybody's doing the Cousin Taylor crouch down. Can you say hi, Cousin Taylor? You say hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Cousin Taylor.